Hi everyone, it's all. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I am going to be doing a review and first impressions on this. This is the Rimmel Nude Edition Magifeyes Eye Contour and Jumbo Palette. So I bought this in my local Superdrug, and what you can see here is that there are 12 shades in this eyeshadow. I just counted them myself, and these are all ranging from a nice cool toned nude eyeshadow, which is definitely up my alley. Two of the shades in here are very similar to mono shadows that I've got. So this one here, which is called Gold Rush, and this one here, which is called Millionaire, might be the same shades, but we shall find out soon. And it ranges from the nice pale natural shades that you can wear on an everyday basis all the way through to a cool tone smoky eye. So I would definitely recommend this as a beginner friendly eyeshadow if you want to go for a full palette. It is very similar to the Naked 2 by Urban Decay, so it has got a nice selection of golds, browns, and this nice silver one that I might play with at a later date. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some swatching. So I'm going to swatch a shimmer, and then I'm going to swatch one of the matte colours. Oh yes, you can definitely see that the matte one is pigmented, and the shimmer, oh yes, that is a nice buttery finish. It's not too pigmented, but it will do if you're just starting out in eyeshadow and you didn't want anything that was too harsh. And it's something that you can definitely take from day to night. And you also get a dual ended brush in here, which I'll be using in maybe another video, but I'm going to be using one of my brushes because I'll be working with multiple colours, and I don't want the colours to get spoiled, because at least it just becomes one muddy layer. Right, let's put together an eyeshadow look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you guys in closer. Right guys, let's start on this makeup look. The first shade I am taking here is shade number 8, and I'm going to be applying this all over my entire eye area. Followed by shade number 10 on a 224 brush from MAC, and I'm going to be just applying this on the outer view of my eye just to give it a little bit more definition. Finally, for my eyelid, I took a mix of the shade 2 and the shade 4 just to apply on the inner half of my lid to lighten it, before finishing with the dark shade number 12 on an angled brush just to do a shadow line. I prefer this over liquid liner because it appears more natural looking and doesn't look too heavy. Once I've done that, I went in with my favourite mascara, which is the Rimmel Extra Super Lash in Black, followed by my favourite lip combo of the Kiko Creamy Smart Fusion Lip Pencil in 03, and the Maybelline Colour Sensational Lipstick in the shade Pink Fling, which I did a first impression of recently. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love this palette because it is a really, really nice neutral date night palette. I will be looking forward to doing a lot more of this on my channel, so be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all very soon for my next one. Thanks for watching.